What's up, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube. What's up, guys? Welcome to my first YouTube channel. We're fishing for my second time. We'll see if I can catch a big fish.
Yeah.
I see something right in there. How you pull it back? Can I take it? What? Do you need this?
Throw it in.
It's doing very terrible. I have not catch one single fish. I need more of these fishing rods because this one's broken and I'm not catching a single fish with all those with that string jammed up. Unsuccessful, did not like it, terrible, this is broken, so we're gonna try again another time. But if you wanna watch the next time we try this, like, subscribe, and comment.